Welcome to another episode of Computer Terminology for Beginners. Today we are concentrating on Term 8, PCI. PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. This is a slot or a series of slots sitting on a motherboard that allows you to connect extra devices to use for multiple purposes, such as utilizing for video outputs, premium sound outputs, Wi-Fi connectivity, TV tuners, connecting faster or more storage devices, as well as having extra ports, such as extra USB ports or extra sound ports. PCI slots are integrated on the motherboard, but can also be expanded using expansion cables to plug additional devices into. There are full PCI lanes, which contain 16 or more lanes or connections for slots, and then there's mini PCI lanes that range between 4 to 8 connections. The type of PCI depends on the use you get out of it. For example, full PCI lanes are typically used for GPUs or graphics cards, whereas mini PCI lanes are used for anything else from storage capacity expansions to USB expansion cards or even video capture cards. That does it for today's Computer Terminology for Beginners. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and send a like and go ahead and subscribe for future videos. And please stay tuned for next week's episode, Term 9, USB.